Hello, hello. Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you? Okay, hello, Amitabha, right? Okay, Notion WD, okay, Jintat C Link, okay, Jocelyn Pestat Muhiba, no problem. Lim, okay, MSM Solaves Hackstar, and also from Anthony, okay, Maybank and Gamuda, okay, no problem. Okay, so please help us to click a like first, okay, click a like and also share this live session, okay, so that we can get more viewers to tune in. Okay, as usual, okay, we will go through the market outlook first, okay, which include the US market, Oinco cryptocurrency, and FBM KLCI. Only follow with the stocks Q&A. Okay, let me know the stocks you want me to review and your intention. Okay, probably you're looking for support or resistance, long term, short term. Okay, also can. Okay, disclaimer, all our sharing is not a buy or sell recommendation or just for education purposes. Hello, Jordan, how are you? Okay, so click a like and share lah. Hello, Patrick. Brusa made a comeback tonight. Okay, let's warm up first for US side Okay, US side as we can see actually on Friday, okay, Dow Jones especially Dow Jones they had a breakdown. Okay, this is a what we call a pennant breakdown. Okay, for me it's not so positive lah. Okay, and we can see on Monday, Tuesday actually market trying to defend here lah, 43.400. Okay, so take note on this level. Okay, if they can stay above, probably still got chance to make some upside. Okay, maybe got chance to come back to test a 44K region. Okay, but if they break below 43.4K, we might see more sell down. Okay, probably to the 200 MAs, which is somewhere around 42K. Okay, this is a Dow Jones. Okay, how about the S&P? Okay, S&P a little bit weaker. Okay, if compared with the Dow Jones, as we can see Monday and Tuesday they do have a sell down. Okay, but yesterday by closing, they do have some recovery above the 100 MAs. So yeah, the support is quite crucial for tonight. So I was put at the 5969 around here. Okay, which is a 100 MAs. Okay, if you look back in January, okay, they also tested 100 MAs and bounce up and create a new all-time high. Okay, so this time we see lah. Okay, whether is this time is different or this time will be the same as well. Okay, so take note somewhere around 5969. Okay, if the closing can stay above, maybe still got a chance to continue rise up to 6001. Okay, but if they break below, close below, we might seeing some sell down maybe to 5009 or even lower. Okay, this is a S&P, and how about the Nasdaq? Okay, if compared out of these three market okay, this week Nasdaq perform weaker. Okay, among Dow Jones and the S&P lah. Okay, as we can see, Monday they already sell down. Yesterday also sell down. Okay, but they do found some support at here lah. Okay, 21K is a psychology level. Okay, 21K and 20.8K. Okay, this is a crucial support for the the Nasdaq. Okay, as you can see since last year December until now so far this zone supported quite well. Okay, so now they come back to here. If they can get supported, okay, nothing goes wrong. Market might continue goes up lah or go sideways. But if they break down, maybe we might see more downside, probably to 20K plus lah, maybe 20.4 or 20K like that. Okay, so overall is for me lah, Dow Jones, Nasdaq this week is a little bit weak. Okay, so how about the oil price? Okay, oil price remain weak so we can see yesterday another breakdown. Okay, breakdown below $70. Okay, this is a WTI. So I think ONG counters also won't be that great lah. Okay, as the oil sentiment is not so good. So seems like they might come back to test a $67-68 level. Okay, this is a WTI price. So oil price remain weak. And how about the gold price? Okay, gold price, they do have some rejection when the price raise up to 2950. Okay, tentatively they are supported by 2009 and maybe 2880 lah. Okay, 2880, 2009 is their immediate support. Okay, stay above, still got chance to challenge 3000. But if they break below, we may see them retrace further, probably to 2008 or even lower. Okay, this is a gold price. And how about the cryptocurrency? Okay, so for Bitcoin, yesterday officially break below 90K lah. So this would become a double top breakdown. Okay, if by this week, okay, if by this week, if they are not able to recover back above 90K, then we might seeing more sell down on the crypto market, probably to 80K or 70K also possible. Okay, same to the Ethereum lah. Okay, Ethereum also a sell down, break below 2006. Okay, tentatively they are back to the sideways zone. Okay, this is a sideways zone back in 2024 August until October. Okay, so yesterday closing got a little bit hammer like candle, but we need a confirmation. Okay, for Ethereum, currently the minimum need to recover back above 2006. Okay, otherwise I will see them continue sideways lah. Okay, this is a Ethereum. And how about our market FBMK LCI? Okay, yesterday our FBMK LCI break below 1575. I has been mentioning, okay, during Monday live session also cannot break down, okay, 1575. Okay, yesterday breakdown lah. So for me it's not so nice, okay, but today our KLCI make a strong comeback. Okay, they erase all the losses and they close at 1588. Okay, they close at 1588. So for me, yeah, bull still got chance lah. Okay, since the breakdown is not valid already, market recovered. So hopefully, the upcoming days, okay, the price can stay above 1575. Okay, so long they can stay above, I think is still quite positive lah. Okay, but the next thing is they need to clear 1590. Okay, stay above 1590 should be safer. Okay, then only see 1600, 1614. Okay, hopefully by tomorrow, don't close below 1575 lah. Then market should be alright. And how about the HSI? Okay, HSI so far so good lah. Okay, okay, my expectation is to retrace back to 22.5K, but they didn't lah. Okay, yesterday already closed at 23.1K, and today continue rise up. Okay, based on here, I would say HSI is still very bullish. So from here we can see lah. Okay, last year October they pump under here, wash down, sideways. Now they officially break up above this resistance. So this turn into support. Okay, so for HSI, so long the closing price stay above this level, bull is still with you lah. Okay, bull is still very strong. Okay, as long as they are above 22.5K. And based on previously, I think I did share on my Facebook, right? Okay, based on the Fibonacci projection, next level is 27K. Okay, so as long as they don't have a big rejection, okay, they do have potential to go to this level lah. But yeah, of course we need to review level by level. Okay, for HSI. Okay, more realistic lah. Okay, so let's go for our stocks Q&A. Okay, before that need your help. Click some like. Okay, click like and also share around lah. Okay, so let's see. First one is a Notion. Okay, we see on the mother share first lah. Okay, mother share not so good. Okay, I think. Yeah, today due to okay, for mother share, okay, actually they already broke below 870 lah, okay, or 885 like that. Is one of the major support back in last year October, already break down. Okay, so yeah, market already sold off for so many days, right? So maybe due to oversold, okay, they attract some rebound. Okay, oversold, and maybe retailers or the rebound trader thinks now the price is cheap, they want to do some rebound trade. So yeah, indeed today volume improves a with some volume with some bullish candle. So I think they might come up to test the resistance. Okay, provided tonight the US market close neutral or bullish. Okay, if tonight the US market close bearish, I think unlikely to pump out further lah. Okay, this also we can see. Okay, they also have a bullish candle, but the next day, market sell down again. So this time we see low, 780 is your temporary support. Okay, this is a mother share. Okay, so mother share, you take note on 780 cannot break down lah, 780. So how about the sun? Okay, the sun, okay, 2029 expired, so still okay lah, still many years. So they also broke below quite crucial support, which is somewhere around 560. Okay, the sun volume actually not so much. Okay only lah. Okay, not so attractive lah. Okay, but for the low is 490. So take note on 490. Stay above, maybe they might bounce up to test a resistance. Okay, which was previously was a support, turned into resistance, which is somewhere around 560. But overall, I can say overall notion the sentiment is still very weak lah. Okay, it's still very weak. Okay, how about the Genie Tech? Okay, Genie Tech, ever since they broke below 150, ever since they broke below 200 MAs, already not so good. Okay, second confirmation is when they broke below 133, 129. Okay, for me, it's no longer good looking already lah. Okay, short term, long term also not so good looking already. Okay, so I will say 129, 133 will turn into their resistance. Okay, well, 112 will turn into their support. Okay, so now their last defense is here, 112, and their resistance is here. Okay, now they are in the middle. Okay, consider a no man land. Okay, not a good support and not a good resistance. Okay, even they can bounce up, you also need to see any profit taking or any rejection at the 129, 133. And if happen, they can drop to 112. Okay, take note and see any support over there. Okay, if this level fear to hold, they might come down to 1 ringgit level. Okay, so Genie Tech also not so strong. Okay, we can see lah, this is a sideways, this is a rally up. Okay, now macam sudah habis, they might come back down, either go sideways here or go back to where they belongs. Okay, because they already below 200 MAs lah. Okay, how about the C-Link? Wow, habis this one not good lah. Okay, C-Link, the how to say the warning already given. Okay, here when they break below 200 MAs, first warning. Second warning yesterday when they broke below 275. Okay, and today is a open gap down, close low. Okay, for me is they are still jumping. Okay, they are still jump ship lah. Okay, if you look back in last year May, okay, they went up here easily. Okay, sorry. Okay, so you can see last year they went up here easily. Now they also come back down easily. Okay, so this is like not a very many transaction punya tempat lah. Okay, so I think they might come back down to somewhere. Wow, become penny stocks already. 160 or 180 level. Okay, I guess they might come back down somewhere around here. Okay, these counters, I would say the game already over, so nothing to see, and they might come back down to here and go sideways. Okay, if they break below 160, lagi teruk lah. Okay, for me it's game over lah at the moment, what I see here. Okay, so not so good. Okay, not so good yet. Okay, don't simply go and average down or do anything. Okay, PES Tech. Okay, today got some price action come back. Okay, high volume 30 of December. After that, no volume. Okay, today volume actually not so much, but better than previous days lah. Okay, and they do break above a 180 level. So we can see they have been sideways around here, but not much volume lah. We can see. So they have been sideways around here. Today break out a bit. Okay, unfortunately lah, volume not so legit lah. Okay, volume not so volume okay only lah, I would say. Okay, but yeah, no harm to KIV since they already above 200 MAs. Okay, so make sure the price can stay above 180, then should be okay. But if they close below 180, this could we can say this is a false breakout. Market may continue sideways. And below 160, no game. Okay, dah cantik already. Mohiba today got volume bounce up. Okay, this could be due to oversold market rebound, but yeah, they have volumes lah. Okay, so by zooming out, we can see 680 70 cent was a support. Okay, so since they break down already, turn into resistance. Okay, so I expect they might bounce up a little bit more, probably to the 20 MA level, which is somewhere around 70 cents. Okay, since they have volume support them. So, but this counter is a downtrending lah. Okay, already below 200 MAs. So sell down, bounce up. Okay, this one a deeper sell down and bounce up. Okay, I expect they might bounce up to maybe 70 cents. If the momentum stronger, they might go to 780. Okay, just a rebound. Okay, rebound only. Okay, how about the MSM? Oh, MSM trapped me many times. Okay, yesterday kena stop out, but today made a comeback. Okay, seems like they like to do some whipsaw around here lah. 130 and 133. Okay, today as well. They do a whipsaw around here. Okay, for if I see these counters yesterday are considered not so good already because they broke below 130, but today they made a comeback lah. They almost recover all the losses. So for me, this one is still legit. Okay, since they have a volume. Okay, so if two candle combine, this is a so-called hammer like candle lah. So I think MSM is still okay, but this time I will put my stops lower lah, probably below 125. Okay, below 125, memang tak cantik lah. Stay above, I think the chances is still there. Okay, so this one I would say is still watchable lah. Okay, since today made a comeback with volume. Okay, how about the Solar Vest? Okay, Solar Vest is still fine. So far, if you notice these counters, they has been uptrending since end of 2022 until now. Okay, or we can say 2023 January until now. So which already uptrend for about 2 years plus. Okay, despite market sentiment sometimes no good or what, they just have a deeper correction and go sideways only. Okay, they never turn into downtrend. Okay, so far they are still fine lah. Okay, so let me see. Momentum is still boleh tahan. Okay, now take note on the immediate resistance 182. If they can clear above, we may see the 2021 peak, which is somewhere around 19 something. Okay, so far based on what I see on the momentum, all they are good. Okay, still alright. Okay, this one the investor happy lah. Until now, at least not really still make money lah, I can say. Okay, how about the Hexstar? Hexstar is still in the sideway. Okay, yeah. Thankfully, they didn't break below 850 lah. So for me, remain healthy and sideways lah. As you can see, the Hexstar movement okay, all this one is going up since when 2020 until now. Okay, so yeah, sometimes they will do a spike, wash, sideways. Okay, now also a spike, wash, sideways. Okay, so still okay. I would say the more important level is the 80 cents level lah. Don't break. Okay, break 80 cents memang no good. And stay above, I would say the long-term trend is still good. And immediate support will be 850 level. Okay, so this is still alright. Okay, still alright. Okay, comment on the PBA. Sorry. Okay, PBA actually the day before today, okay, they are still below 200 MAs. Okay, and today market open gap up, close low. Okay, high volume. Okay, looks like a trap lah. Okay, so at the moment, okay, since they have a gap, right? So we use the gap as a support. Okay, take note on 207 as your immediate support. Okay, and previously, okay, recently the low was 193. So I use 193 as your second support. So 207, 193 will be your S1, S2. And if happen they can go up, yeah, there are still another gap over here, which is around 233 and then only 250. Okay, so yeah, still okay lah, boleh tahan lah. How about the Maybank? Okay, Maybank and another spike lah. Okay, so take note on here lah. 1080, okay, which was the 2024 September resistance, okay, 1080, and today price action is still pretty strong. Okay, probably, yeah, banking sector today bring the KLCI up lah. Okay, I think so. Okay, they just broke above 106, okay, 1060. So this level would turn into support. 1060 support. And 1040, 1030 would be a support too. Okay, and your resistance 1080 and $11 lah, or 11 ringgit lah. Okay, also a psychology level if they are able to break through. Okay, so far banking sector I think performing is quite well, performance. Okay, how about the Gamuda? Okay, Gamuda, I think the uptrend started to slow down, okay? As they have been up for so many years already. So time for them to maybe do some sideways lah. So I expect they might sideways around maybe 415 to 455 like that. Okay, 415, 4, yeah, or the smaller one is maybe 430 to 455 lah. Okay, I expect they might sideways here or 415 to 455 like that. Okay, sideways here. Okay, so most likely they might go into consolidation zone. Okay, but the long run point of view, they are still in an uptrend. Discounters. Okay, HSI we covered already. We go for the 9988 Alibaba. Well, this one memang very strong. Okay, Alibaba, what I expect is they come down to fill the gap, which is somewhere around 122. Okay, but yeah, they open gap down, close high, and today another gap up, close high. Okay, today reclaim back 133, 135 lah, closing 136.9. Okay, based on here, I think they are still very bullish. Okay, take note on the gap lah. This is a gap happened back in 2021 November, which is 150 level. Okay, if you are long-term holders, I think this year, okay, not we don't say under this year first lah. Okay, at least this quarter, I think they still have potential to continue go up lah. Okay, maybe on and off they will have some retracement sideways or something like that. But at least this quarter, I see still alright. Okay, I haven't seen any sign of weakening. Okay, still alright. And take note on the gap lah. Okay, most likely they might come up to fill the gap 150. Okay, so yeah, we still review every week is better. Okay, what if suddenly got a big reversal signal? Okay, Alliance. Wow, this one. Okay, this one few signal has been given now. Okay, this one is a 2024 October. They do broke below the 200 MAs. Retest on January, unable to go through, and kena rejected down. Okay, so yeah, yesterday also with a strong sell, but today they have some buyer comeback. Okay, they trying to defend the 18 ringgit. Okay, 18 ringgit level. Oh, but I will say these counters they are still not so strong. 2022 uptrend until 2024, but now started to turn weak. Okay, so okay, now what I see is a possible technical rebound. Okay, technical rebound lah, not change of trend or reversal yet. Okay, so even they can bounce up probably to here low. 1890. Okay, or 1888 lah. Okay, 1890, 1950, and 20 ringgit. Okay, if they are able to bounce up. Okay, if they fear to stay above 18 ringgit, they might go to fill here 1710. Okay, but this counter I seeing they might turn into downtrend. They are still in a downtrend. So if can maybe wait dulu lah. Okay. HL FG. Okay, this one at least they are still above 200 MAs lah. So at least I can say the trend is still in the upside. Okay. Well, this one you can see okay, they only faces some sell down lah back in 2019, 2020. Okay, and 2021 they recovered already. So you can see, okay, they same low, but they already break above the high. Okay, so this is their new low here. Big trend point of view, this counter is still going up. Okay, still going up, still very good. So if speaking about both, I think I prefer to KIV discounters lah. Okay, even though they looks quite illiquid. Okay, 18 ringgit counters are usually not many retailers or normal human inside lah. Okay, so yeah, ideally the level is 18 ringgit lah. 18 ringgit or 1810. Okay, current price is about 1840 lah. If you don't mind the 40 cents different, then you can wait lower sikit, then you can consider lah. Okay, doesn't mean need to wait at the 18 ringgit lah. Okay, so overall I think yeah, as long as they are above 18 ringgit should be fine. Okay, should be fine. Okay, next one. For Alliance, I would say I still KIV dulu because they are turning downtrend. Okay. Pestec just now covered already. Okay, the only downside is lack of volumes. Okay, even though today's volume looks better than previous day, but not a very convincing volume come in. Okay, if you base on the breakup trade, maybe I can put 175 lah. Okay, if based on a breakup trade, yeah, you can consider 180 or 175 and cut loss if they go below 175. But based on today's volumes, I would say your success rate would be quite low. Okay, not many participants inside, so might be a fake breakout. Okay, yeah, how about the SFP tag? Okay, they have been selling for so many days lah. Okay, ever since this one also give many warning already, right? Downtrend since 2024 January, retest 200 MA fails, retest 200 MA fails. Okay, then recently break below 60 cents, break below 590, very ugly already, continue sell down. Okay, today got the highest volumes. Okay, if we zoom out, highest volume, but the price action tells us that actually the closing just okay only, tak berapa cantik. Okay, this one, if not mistaken, on Monday I do review, okay, and I do mention 375 cannot break lah. Okay, but Tuesday they break already. Okay, so let me see on the 50-minute charts. Okay, today Wednesday, 9 a.m. highest volume, try to defend here lah. Okay, 290, 30 cents. Okay, highest volume 9 a.m. 915. They have 915 and also 930. So meaning the first trading hours, they have a highest volume, try to defend somewhere around 30 cents level. Okay, and by 4:15 means second half ready lah. Before market close, they do have some seller come in lah. Okay, 10:30 also started to sell already. Somewhere around 340 try to sell already. And 3 p.m. try to push, but no strength. Okay, 3:15, 3:30 kena rejected. So seems like here is a resistance. 340 is a resistance. Okay, then 4:15 kena rejected. 4:30 neutral. Okay, closing price nothing. Okay, back to the daily chart. Okay, looks like today someone tried to defend. Maybe it's a rebound trader lah. They try to buy at 30 cents or 290. When the price pump up to 340, is about 30 cents to 340 is about 10% already. Enough for the intraday trade lah. Okay, especially with huge volumes. Probably they already sold at a 340 level. Okay, that's a rebound lah. So for me, it's still very weak. I would say your success rate would be very low. But if you you are very interested with these counters, 285 is your cut loss. Okay, if they close below 290, okay, 285 cut loss cabut. Okay, and I would say based on here lah, the chances of cutting loss is maybe up to more than 50% lah. Okay, for me it's like if you really want to try small size lah. Okay, for me it's not worth to try lah. Okay, HSI. I mean Hong Kong Exchange. Yeah, they are Bursa lah. Okay, they are so-called Bursa lah. Okay, still good. Okay, so far so good. Okay, 21st of February ada volume retrace 2 days. Today another pump up. So they are going up back to the October level 394 like that. Okay, I think recently the HSI or the whole Hong Kong market alive back lah. So this also benefited to them lah. Okay, so as long as HSI remain okay, I think they also got chance to continue rise up. Okay, so far so good lah. And they yet to hit the October resistance. So take note lah, 394 would be your next resistance. Okay, how about the 123? You what? You shoe. Oh, say sendiri优秀 this one. Okay, so this one, let me see downtrend 2023. Okay. Okay lah, the chart looks still alright lah, not too bad lah. Okay, let me draw something. At least we can see the low is getting higher lah. 2024 April, 2024 September, 2025 February. Okay, the low is getting higher. So let's see this one align or not. Maybe 还好啦. Okay, at least this one is still in the uptrending mode lah. Okay, but this is a $5 counters. So for the support, maybe I put at a 510 lah. So long above 510 should be alright. And yeah, on the way you turn on $6, $7, then 750 would be your this is a resistant place. I think they might overshoot somewhere near $8 before they back down lah. So this one I think is still okay. So long above 510, I would say still good lah. Okay, still good. Okay, Tenaga. Tenaga also macam technical speaking, I think Tenaga started to turn weak. Okay, turn weak. The uptrend looks like, okay, the bull looks like over. Okay, market macam not so strong already. Okay, maybe last year too, I mean, market already priced in on the very good future prospect already. Okay, so technical speaking, on the MACD point of view, you can see actually the MACD is getting weaker lah, and the price not really going anywhere. Okay, the max is a 1480 like that only lah. Okay, recently even bounce up, they are not able to clear above 14 ringgit. Okay, looks like not so strong already lah. Okay, not so strong already. Okay, just that now the price is more on sideways. And if we look deeper, we can see actually they already struggle at the 200 MAs. Okay, not so strong lah. Okay, unlike last year, keep on going up. Okay, here started to turn weak. Okay, so maybe if we put on the support, I would say it's a 1320. 1300 is a support zone. Okay, and for the resistance, go back to 14 ringgit lah. Okay, 14 ringgit would be the resistance. So maybe you can do a trading stop above 13 ringgit is still okay. Close below 13 ringgit, maybe you can consider to take profit dulu. And if happen, okay, they can bounce up to 14, maybe you can consider lah. You can consider lah. I feel they are tentatively, what I see now, not as strong as last year. Okay, maybe everything already priced in 7788 already lah, 778 already, right? So market already know how much they can earn each quarter, or so unless the result outperform, okay, if within the expectation, I don't think we'll have any very good news for them lah. Okay, I will think more on neutral already. Okay, unless they outperform. Okay, otherwise neutral. Okay, Scomnet. Actually, on Monday they're still good looking lah. Okay, at least it's a bullish candle, high volume. But the next day kena rejected down. Okay, today neutral lah. So seems like 120 turn into the resistance for Scomnet. Okay, so for me, I think Scomnet is not so strong already. Okay, not so strong already. They might come down to maybe 110 or 105 level. Okay, Timecom. Timecom, they have many chance to EP. Previously, like 455, 465 is our first support level lah. Okay, and I think I do mention if they break below 455, maybe we can wait at a 440 or 420. But they already bounce up lah. Okay, bounce up. So tentatively for Timecom, maybe you can take note on 480 level lah. Okay, I expect they might go sideways lah. Okay, more sideways movement. So this one you need patience. As you can see, they can sideways for quite long, but in long run, they are still going up lah. Okay, long run they are still going up. Okay, just that they might need some times for the sideway. Okay, so MSM we covered already. We go for the TM. Okay, TM today they attempt to push up. Okay, they attempt to break 7 ringgit, but by end of day, they form a so-called shooting star. Okay, with high volume. Okay, looks like some rejection when they try to pump up lah. But overall for telecom, they are still above 200 MAs lah. So I expect this is profit taking activities. They might come back to retest maybe 680 or maybe 660 level. Okay, around here lah, 660. I expect they might come back to test maybe a 200 MAs level lah. Okay, 660, 650, 655 like that. Okay, 655. Okay, so yeah, depends on your intention. If you are long-term holder, no problem at all lah. Okay, short-term, yeah, of course you need to consider want to protect or not. Okay, and how about the MSM we covered and Public Bank? Yeah, I think, let me see. Too many already. Okay, go for here. Okay, Public Bank, so far so good. Today other volume. I think also with a good result or some dividend things, so attract more investor. Okay, so far so good lah. Okay, for Public Bank. Okay, they has been sideways around here for quite many months, maybe last year October until now. Okay, so pending for the breakout above 460. Okay, has been sideways here, right? So once they can break above, we may see some upside. Okay, but of course, first thing first, 480. Okay, so Public Bank still okay. Okay, market horn come back by bull to fly. But yeah, indeed today market sentiment is not too bad. But maybe what I realize is maybe more on banking sector, finance sector. Okay, they have more volume to pump up. Then other than that, a bit okay only macam okay only what I feel lah. Okay, how about the SIME? Okay, SIM this counter is still below 200 MAs. Okay, but one thing good about today is they have a breakup. Okay, they has been bounce up from here, jalan. Okay, sideways today a breakup 230. Okay, good for them. Okay, good for them. So for SIME, today closing at 233 ma. So if we zoom out, we can see, oh, finally, okay, after this downtrend, okay, this is a downtrending channel lah, for so many months. I think since last year, May until now. So finally, they have a breakout above 230. Okay, closing 233. So this one, if you are interested, take note on 230. Okay, but if happen, they makan all the way down below 225. Okay, below 225, tak cantik already. Okay, and yeah, do take note lah. They are still below 200 MAs. So somehow we also need to respect 240 as your immediate resistance. Okay, but yeah, since it's a first breakthrough, then worth to monitor lah. Okay, things might happen like this lah. Breakout for one day, next day rejected down. Okay, rejected down, then you cut loss lah. In case they go down deeper. Okay, if they go down below 225, they might go down back to 210 or even lower. Okay, so this one need to take note, but yeah, worth to monitor lah if you interested with that. Okay, how about the massing? Okay, massing for me, no, yet lah. Okay, the game macam sudah over. Okay, first signal when they break below 200 MAs. Second signal, major support 150 already broken down. Okay, third signal break below 140. Okay, and currently the price is below all moving averages. So we can see if zoom out, okay, if you understand the market cycle, okay, this is an uptrend, right? And why they sideways here? Oh, is it means they pump the price up so that they can sell higher? Okay, sell the price higher at here. Once they sold all, okay, no point to defend the price lah. Okay, maybe the chart started to turn into downtrend. Okay, so for me, now is in a downtrend, and even we can buy, we only do some rebound trade. Okay, but we are against the trend. Okay, because there are a lot seller. Okay, the chances of going down is higher than going up. Okay, even though maybe got some technical signal, maybe just to bounce up to 140 level. So this one, no, nothing yet until we see some strong price action come back lah. Okay, I guess next level they might visit is somewhere around 120 lah, but overall it's still weak. Okay, how about the Genting Malaysia? Okay, Genting Malaysia, as I mentioned before, 235, 230 is a support, cannot be broken lah. Okay, tapi yesterday already broke down below 230. Thankfully, today recovered. Okay, closing price 232. Okay, so we need to use a yesterday low as our last defense, which is a 228. Okay, so take note 228 is our new last defense. Okay, so long above 228, still at that hope lah, and hopefully they can go back above 235 lah. Okay, fail to go above 235, they do have high chance to break down below 228. Okay, once they close below 228, then most likely lesser strength already. P Globe, okay, Paragon Globe. Okay, so far so good. This one I feel also sendiri draw up punya based on the chart lah, based on the chart. Okay, but so far they are still favored to the bull side lah. Okay, you can see they can able to pull up and wash down easily, and yeah, they do used to do some pump and dump before lah. This was a 2021 time. Okay, so when was that? Very illiquid back then. Okay, 10 years ago lah, they do have a gap 630705. Okay, so for me, at the moment, if you're already in, yeah, of course you can enjoy the ride, okay, or you can slowly take some partial profit in case they suddenly sell down lah. Okay, but if you still want to max out your profit, yeah, of course you can. Okay, 530 would be your last defense. Okay, if happen they go below 530, 570, okay, below 570, I think you need to get out all lah. Okay, if they go below 570, yep. And for instance, your immediate support would be I will use here lah. I prefer to use here 615. Okay, 615 would be your immediate support. Okay, and next level we see 70 cents round out for them. Okay, so don't add, but if you already in, yeah, okay lah. Okay, how this only 50 cents very far. Cannot yet. Okay, Mayday. Okay, this one Mayday. They are going down to probably 240. Okay, this one what we can see D-Sonic, they broke below 200 MAs, resisted by 200 MAs, never mind. Okay, they are trying to form a base at 390. Tapi the open gap down, okay, gap down no longer good looking, and continue to sell down, and their next bottom is 240 level. Okay, tentatively they are still very weak. Okay, so for them in order to go back to let's say 50 cents level, need to take some times lah. Okay, unless some very good news to make them make a V-shaped rebound. Okay, otherwise very unlikely. Okay, unless they have super good news lah. Otherwise, very susah for the time being. Okay, VS sudah habis lah as they already broke below 105. Okay, now struggle at 1 ringgit, but already not so good. Okay, because the price already below all moving averages. Okay, I would say VS tak berapa cantik already. Okay, tak cantik already. But if you still interested, okay, they also have a last defense 950. Okay, how about the VS Dofu? Dofu also cannot lah. Okay, they break below 150 which is the bottom back in the 2022. Okay, so I think they still got low to visit. They might go 1 ringgit also possible. Okay, we need a strong comeback. At least 1 day strong comeback candle. Otherwise, don't go and hantam them. Okay, P Metal is still struggling. Okay, even though Monday I review, I say okay lah. Tapi Tuesday they makan down already. Okay, so now they are at one of the last defense, 495. Okay, take note this level cannot break down. Okay, once they break down, memang they might go back to 480 lah. Okay, so as I review so many counters, I think today, other than banking, most counters macam tak berapa cantik. Okay, DNEX as well, breakdown 330 already. Not nice already, okay? Not nice already. So they still got room to fall lah. Okay, next level could be 240 already. Okay, 280 is your immediate support, but they could go as low as 240 or even 20 cents level. Okay, brace for impact. Okay, already breakdown. Okay, you as we can see, so many counters, they sell down so strongly. Okay, we minimum need to wait for a daily bullish candle, best if with high volume, then we only follow lah. Okay, otherwise we don't know where's the low. Okay, they can just leave it and let the stock price drop as low as possible. Okay, so for me, wait for the big buyers to come back lah. Okay, if without their support very susah lah. With our money not enough to support the market lah. Okay, SSF, cup and handle formation. Yeah, you are not wrong. But for me, cup and handle usually happen in when the stocks is in a downtrend, then they form a cup and handle, breakout, then go up. Okay, this is a how to say they are more suitable to place at the bottoming or potential reversal places lah. But yeah, trading or chart is an art lah. Okay, we also can say okay, this is a valid cup. They are forming a handle. Okay, not wrong. Okay, still okay. So if we base on this, okay, if we think this is a cup and handle, yeah, of course they need to have a breakout lah. 240. 240 blah. 410. Okay, they need to break out above 410 for further upside. Okay, yeah, not wrong. If you think this is a cup and handle, so probably I will put a support at 380. So long the price above 380, this so-called cup and handle is still valid. Okay, if they break down, maybe not so cantik punya cup lah. Okay, SFP we covered already. We go for the Hub Sing. Hub Sing habis sudah tak cantik leh. Okay, Hub Sing actually back in 2023 they do have a good comeback lah. Okay, go back to 5 ringgit or what. But after that back in June 2024, they already broke below the 200 MAs, and now this Hub Sing already back to downtrending. So by looking at the bigger pictures, okay, these counters back in 2020 already downtrend until today. Okay, before 2020 is a very good stocks lah, but after that drop already, and you can see the overall they are keep going down. Okay, so I see no reason for investment purpose or what lah. Okay, now it's more on any technical rebounds opportunity. Okay, no yet. Okay, no, I didn't see anything. They could go as low as maybe 3 ringgit or even lower. So, no lah. Okay, Tenaga we covered already. So we go for the Lei Hong. Okay, Tenaga turning weak lah. Okay, turning weak. Okay, Lei Hong. Okay, ada chance. Finally got some stocks we can do as a homework lah. Okay, take note lah. Lei Hong is below 200 MAs. Okay, so we are treating this as a downtrending counters. Okay, now they are at the area of interest, which they have a support here. They have a support here. Okay, they at the support here lah. And recently, okay, you can see the whole February, actually the volume improved at 330, 3340. Okay, the volume improved over here. Okay, so technical rebound, they do have chance. Okay, if they can bounce up. Okay, where is their maximum level? 200 MAs lah, 370 only lah. Okay, and yeah, 100 MA also need to respect a bit lah, somewhere around 355. Okay, but I will see ultimately somewhere around 370 as our target. Okay, but we are against the trend. Okay, if we are trading at these counters. Okay, because they are below 200 MAs. Okay, unlike last year. Okay, last year they are still above 200 MAs. Okay, this year different. This year below 200 MAs. So I would say based on this scenario, our probability would be lower. Okay, so we need to know the facts and what we are doing. Okay, IFCA also no good. Okay, IFCA 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 last year they also have a very good uptrend, a retracement acceptable, tapi they into a sideway. Okay, sideway baru breakdown lah, tak cantik already. Okay, so last year November still fine when they test the 200 MAs, but you can see this year actually IFCA already break below 200 MAs. Okay, resisted, continue to sell down. So still very weak lah. So for me is I not so like these counters at the moment. But if you want to do some rebound trade, okay, or funny things, 50 cents is your immediate support. Okay, maybe they have some chances for bounce up. Okay, maybe bounce up to 560 like that lah. Okay, but I would say success rate of course is lower lah. Okay, due to the trend, the seller is stronger than the buyer. Okay, MACD all is not favorable lah. Okay, but if you die, you want to try, okay, cut loss below 475. Okay, but be prepared lah. Okay, be prepared. Okay, how about the Suncon? Okay, Suncon is still okay, even though back in January, mid-January, they broke below 200 MAs. Okay, recently recovered. So I think it's still alright. So long above 4 ringgit, I think Suncon is still okay. And your immediate support, I can put at somewhere around 425430 as your immediate support. Okay, Petronas Chemical. Not really breakdown. Okay, so far, for Petronas Chemical, they are trying to defend 370. Okay, so if interested, let me zoom out. 370, 350 would be the support zone for the Petronas Chemical. Okay, hopefully they don't break down lah. Okay, hopefully they don't break down. CAMB. Let me see. CMB is still okay lah, still above all moving averages. The only thing is they need to clear the 845 level. Okay, they need to clear the 845 level. And as we can see, back in September until now, they are still in the sideways zone. Okay, they are still in the sideways zone. So once they can clear above 845, I think they might have a brighter future, probably. Okay, so this one is a CIMA. But on the other hand, if they break down below 785, then not so nice lah. Okay, because they have been consolidated here for quite some time already. Okay, CIMB and HT Padu I didn't cover already, right? Oh, HT Padu I think Monday we covered. So Tuesday they open gap up. Okay, now more on come back to test the support lah. So I guess they might come back to test a 275 and 268 level. Carlsberg. Carlsberg not nice eh. Okay, Carlsberg already broke below 200 MAs, broke below 1920. Okay, I am seeing they might come back down to 1870 or 1850. Okay, not so nice, not so nice. Okay, let me see. LPI. LPI is still okay lah, still in uptrending. Okay, tenor on 1410 as your immediate resistance. Okay, these counters, yeah, so far so good lah. Okay, as long as above 1350 should be alright. Okay, Penta no good lah. Penta already broke below 333 tak cantik lah. Okay, today they tested 3 ringgit lah, which was the 2022 support. Okay, so closing, they do have some recovery lah. Okay, when near closing. So maybe they might push up to test a resistance. Okay, 333, 339 would be your resistance. Okay, I think due to oversold, maybe they might have some short-term rebound. Okay, just a rebound up lah. Okay, RCE cap. Okay, RCE cap as well. They broke below 136, broke below 140. Now they are just rebound up to test a resistance. Okay, for me, RCE also turned weak already. They already below all moving averages. AMMB. MBank is still okay. Our banking, most of them are still alright. Yeah, still alright. So for this one, as long as they are above 535, 540 should be okay. Okay, so long above 535, 540 should be alright. Okay, D-Sonic. Habis this one. Okay, no game yet. Okay, this one I think just now cover already. CBHB. New counters, brand new counters. No comment yet. Okay, most likely give them some time lah. Okay, they might wash longer. Okay, Enfla not so nice leh. Okay, compared to MSM, I think MSM looks better than Enfla at the moment lah. Okay, they macam not very tahan yet lah. Okay, at the moment their immediate support is 495 lah, but for me is not so strong lah. Okay, not so strong. Okay, how about the metric? Okay, metric, if can, tenor on 140 level lah. Short term turning weak, 20 cross 50, 20 cross 100 MA. Okay, short term is weak. So I guess they might come back to test a 140 level or even 200 MA is also possible, somewhere around 135. So take note on the price at this zone. Okay, interesting lah. Okay, RG. Okay, we go to US counters for Lysia. Okay, RGTI Nasdaq. Wow, this one looks like a pump and dump counters. Okay, even though I'm not familiar lah. Okay, but I think they are doing pump and dump lah. Okay, so this is back in December. They do have a pump up. So they have a gap down. Okay, gap down, test the support here. Bounce up. Okay, not able to fill the gap, but they do resisted by $16. Now turn weak. So this one I would say review only, right? So I would say they are not so strong yet. Okay, not so good lah. Okay, for me, macam tak berapa boleh. Okay, I think they might come back to test a $7 level. Okay, short term not so strong already because they're already below 2050 MA. So most likely they might come back to test here, which is somewhere around $7 or 708. See any support when they test here. Okay, but I think, okay, based on what I see here, likelihood is the pump and dump counters. Pump and chaput. Okay, SOP. Okay, SOP so long above 295 should be okay. Okay, most likely will go sideways lah. Okay, WCE. Tenaga we review already at Tenaga. Okay, WCE no longer good looking. Okay, back in I think back in beginning of February, we do review, and that time is still okay because they just broke above 200 MAs, but no strength. Okay, next few days gonna wash down already. Now back below 785. Okay, closing 775, not so good. No good already. The pump is over. And take note on your last defense, 765. Okay, below 765, dah cantik lah. Okay, wow. Many stocks sudah, Suncon recovered already. So, okay lah, this one. Okay, at least they take the time to make the price go up above 4 ringgit. Okay, Tenaga recovered, Agricore. Okay, this one also habis You can see they pump on 12th of February. On 13, they take profit cabut already. And the next few days more on the sell down. So this one, I would say tentatively the pump is over. Most likely they will go sideways lah. Okay, or continue sell down. Okay, SSB 8. This also turn weak. They already broke below 200 MAs. Okay, now they are at the last defense. Take note on 465. Okay, take note on 465. If they break down, we may see more downside. Okay, now already give you few warning already. Already broke below 200 MAs, already below all moving averages, and now at the last defense. Okay, if they break down, we may see more downside. Okay, if looking for EP, no lah. Okay, don't take the risk lah. Okay, Supermax, Supermax back to the support lah. Okay, take note on 790 and 80 cents. If speaking about the chances, yeah, make sure the price above 790. Okay, because now at 200 MAs. UG Tech, today open gap down. Okay, take note on the 370. This one very hard to say. UG Tech now is at 200 MAs lah. Okay, but I worry is they a little bit topish to wash down. So if interested, okay, for me what I prefer is a 360 level lah. Okay, take note 370, 360, S1, S2 lah. Okay, Westport. Oh, Westport still going up. So far so good lah. Okay, this one so far so good. Okay, so far so good. And since they just broke above here, 458, 450, so here turn into support lah. 458, 450 turn into support. Can see the playback of this live. Can. Later you can watch back. Okay, bad guess. Bad guess, let me see. Bad guess is more on sideways at the moment. Okay, but is speaking about the trend or the moment, the sentiment is turning a little bit weak because they are like struggle at the 200 MAs already lah. Okay, but more on sideways lah. You can say they are sideways within 17 ringgit to 18 ringgit. Okay, so now it's in the middle. Okay, current price is about 1770 lah. Okay, if can, maybe you can take note on 1750. Okay, MSN we covered already. MSN. Okay, so Keixing also like not that strong. Okay, these counters looks very illiquid lah. Okay, very illiquid. So I'm not so interested lah, but if you interested, take note on 550. Cannot break down. Break below 550, memang tak cantik lah. Okay, now more in the sideways lah. MRCB, tak cantik already. Okay, MRCB, they broke below 480. So, not nice lah. MRCB already below all moving averages. So, they are also turning into downtrend. And their next support could be 410 level. Okay, tak berapa cantik. What are the top 5 counters that are worth to monitoring? Okay, you just follow my this one Telegram. Okay, later I will share the watch list that I think they have a better setup. Okay, during our discussion. Okay, so how about the red tone? Red tone also tak boleh. Okay, red tone the most just a rebound lah. Okay, I think Monday we just reviewed, right? They have a hammer, like candle. Tuesday hammer, and today okay lah, neutral lah. But yeah, if you really want to trade them, I think just a rebound trade with your cut loss below 560 and thinner on 60 cents, your immediate resistance. But overall, it's very weak. Okay, so let me see on the P-Trans. P-Trans is still okay. Okay, take note 760 as your immediate support. Okay, still okay lah, this one. Okay, just that I personally feel they are a little bit manipulative. Okay, Sita Global not good, below all moving averages already, so still got room to fall lah. Okay, how about, okay, HSI 021. Let me see. I'm not sure whether I can find or not. Buy, based on the price and the action, confirm is a goreng counters lah. Okay, still can EP? Cannot lah. Okay, still can go up? Can. Okay. Tapi I see the pattern, I know this one is a very goreng already lah. Okay, some more is a penny stocks. Okay. They might go up to maybe 50 cents or even higher lah. But your upside, I mean your risk and reward, not worth already lor. Okay, not worth already. Harrison. Hold on. Harrison. Harrison also tak bagus below 200 MAs Okay, is speaking about their immediate support. Yeah, now they are at their support lah, 150, 145. But this one also turning downtrend Okay, so how about the RL? Not Ralph Lauren is RL still okay lah. Okay, not really move anywhere. Okay, you can see they are since end of January until now they are still at the same price. Okay, but speaking about the structure, I can say they are still okay lah. Okay, still going up like that. Okay, just that very slow, very slow. Okay, P-Trans we covered. Okay, last one is a Kaskapi. Tak cantik juga. Okay, Kaskapi already below all moving averages. Okay, they also broke below 230, broke below 210. Okay, now their last defense is a 20 cents level, which I think also not so nice lah. Okay, not so nice lah. Okay, if they break below 20 cents, they might go to 175 level. So yeah, technically speaking, all no good. No good. Okay, no good yet. Okay, based on today's discussion, I think I only found about 2 to 3 counters that are maybe worth to monitor. Okay, other than bank stock lah. For me, bank stock, they are still very good, but they didn't give us a very good entry point yet. Okay, not a big sell for bank stocks. So far I noticed most likely is a banking or finance sector support our KLCI only lah. Okay, the rest macam tak berapa strength. Okay, so yep. And yeah, that's all for tonight lah. Okay, so thank you Sifu for having me here. If you yet to download Sifu apps, please go and download now. They are available at the iOS and the Google Play Store. And also they do have an interactive live chat. Okay, last one is the RGB lah. RGB, red, green, blue. Okay, cannot play Brusa. We see RGB also come back. Okay, RGB I have been mentioning this is a resistance 475 and 435 would be your trading stop. Okay, now they are back to the support zone. Okay, tenor on 40 cents. Okay, RGB. Stay above and go sideways, still okay. Okay, but if they break below 40 cents, maybe tak berapa cantik already lah. Okay, if you see last year, they also hit 475, back to 350. Now they also hit 475, If they break 40 cents, they might back to 350 level. Okay, so yep, that's all for today. And thank you, Sifu, for having me here. And also, if you yet to join my Telegram, you may screenshot this QR code. And later, I will share the valid watch list, okay? At least some case studies. But I still need to mention that overall market sentiment still quite weak. Okay, so your size control a bit okay? Don't, even though you want to buy or what control your size. Okay, for trading wise for investment wise, yeah, of course you can plan to do a dollar cost averaging. Okay, slowly chip in on those counters you think is a very strong fundamentally lah. Okay, we only cover for technical only lah. Okay, so that's all for tonight, and see you on next coming live session. Okay, thank you everyone. See ya.